Hey all, welcome back. I'm back from my vacation and we're heading towards the holiday season yet again. So something sweet, something simple to get you prepped up for your holidays. This here is a southern style rice pudding. Now I have made other types of rice puddings, but what makes the southern style special is it's very simple. There's no extra bells and whistles, and that simplicity, high quality ingredients, and just some love and care in this recipe gives you this amazing pudding. And that's really apparent from all these ingredients that I'm using. The first thing you want to do is rinse that rice really well. Now it really depends. If you know the source of your rice and you know that it's clean, then you can skip that. But in most cases, you won't go wrong with washing the rice at least 3 to 4 times. Add that to a pot along with some milk and water. We want to now bring this up to medium-high heat. Bring that milk up to a simmer and then just reduce that to the laziest of simmers until that milk and water has evaporated to the point that it's super thick. The rice at this point should be nicely softened as well. Now this here looks good to me, so you want to add in your sweeteners, which in this case will be sugar. Now you could add maple, but if you're trying to get a southern style rice pudding, then maple syrup does not belong. That's just a spin on a southern style. Along with that, I'm also adding in some heavy cream, which is going to add some extra thickness and richness to this pudding. And then vanilla bean pod. I'm going to slit that and then scrape off all those beautiful, fragrant vanilla seeds inside that pudding. Put the pods in there as well. Let that all get fragrant, get mixed and melded into this pudding. Now you can keep simmering this gently until it has reached the consistency that you prefer. I like it quite thick, and remember, as this cools down, it will thicken by about double. It's much thinner when it's nice and hot. If it's too thick though, at this point, then add some milk and thin it out. Now I'm also going to add in some cinnamon. Don't go overboard on it. Keep it nice and simple. And then to serve, what I have here on the side is some more cinnamon as you want for garnish, for topping, some whole nutmeg, and then some butter. Yeah, butter goes actually really well with this rice pudding, and if you can try that, then that's one of the best ways to enjoy this rice pudding. So I'm going to start with that, with the thin sprinkling of cinnamon and then a fresh grating of that whole nutmeg. And this rice pudding is perfect hot or cold. My preference is having it cold. I feel like I can have way more of it, and when I have it super hot, then the flavor fatigue kicks in much sooner. But let me know how you prefer your rice pudding to be. You like it hot, or you like it cold, or you like it weirdly at room temperature? Let me know everything down below. There's some exciting things coming out. I'm also recording with a new camera, so if things look weird, too dark, too bright, just give it a couple of videos. I'm still working out the kinks, and it's gonna be a journey. I'll see you all on the next one.